Hope you're having a lovely day. Today I'm hosting a bit of a summer party down at my parents' house. So I thought I'd do a video and show you guys the day. I've got my friends coming over. We try and do this sort of once a year, all get together. It's kind of a bit of a tradition now. We all get dressed up and just drink lots of Pimms, bake lots of cakes and eat lots of food, and it's really good fun. I'm actually still in my flat in London at the moment. I'm going to be hopping on a train in about half an hour. I've done my makeup, I've still got to curl my hair, I've done my nails, nice little lime green, kind of looks like bogey colour. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, just click like below and maybe subscribe. I'm going to try and do a bunch more videos, hopefully doing a vlog in Mexico where I'm going in about a week and a half. So keep your eyes peeled for that one. But for now, yeah, I'll see you down in Surrey. So I'm now back at my parents' house down in Surrey, and I've done my first job. I've bought all the stuff and I've made margarita popsicles, so we'll see how they turn out. Pinterest did tell me that they were supposed to be amazing, and you know, Pinterest is the absolute authority on all things delicious and amazing. I trust it. Better be good. If it's not, I'm going to be really mad. I've got to do a few more bits. I'm going to make some jelly, maybe make some French bread, sort of pizza bread things. And I've got my drinks, I've got some Pimms, I've got some tequila. That's not very British, but I wanted to make margaritas, so what you gonna do? And yeah, we'll see what time people get here. Tomatoes from the garden, and the boys desperately want to be in my vlog. Joe, say hello.
I don't like vlogs.
I'm having a lovely time at Mel's party, and Mel is the best host in the whole world.
I'm having a lovely time at Mel's party, Mel's the best host. Everything very satisfying.
That's not very nice. Some table tennis. I have my Pimms.
Hey, the wasp is still here.
I think there might be a wasp. Are you okay?
Oh, I almost had it.
Come on.
It's really exhausting. Okay, over the top.
So is that how you think?
As far as it is? Yeah.
Not gonna lie, don't feel amazing this morning. But what are you gonna do? That's what parties are here for, to make you appreciate when you feel well. And I have to go to work in an hour. That's the joy of working on a Sunday. But I think the party was a success. Everyone had a good time, I hope, I think. I'm having to speak a bit quietly because one of my guests is in the bedroom next door. This is the look I like to call the hangover. It's mostly just sort of filling your pores with alcohol. I find it really brings out a beautiful skin tone. Look at that. Yeah, it's not great, is it? It's not a great look. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Happy Sunday.